Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting your artwork mobile ready. Export each sticker as a transparent PNG at 300/600 dpi so edges stay crisp. Once done, set a canvas the iPhone X display ratio so sizes preview correctly on screen. Make sure you have Procreate or Photoshop or a free sticker app, plus your Apple ID for iMessage packaging. You will need a cable or AirDrop to move files. This step prevents resizing surprises and preserves transparency, so your stickers look professional on dark or light backgrounds. Now you refine and compile. Clean edges using a small feather to avoid jagged pixels, and keep a 2472px margin so stickers aren't clipped in chat bubbles. Next, batch export PNG 24 files and name them sequentially to simplify import. Then create an iMessage sticker pack. Either open Xcode and start a sticker pack app project, or use a bundling app that handles metadata. Make sure sizes stay consistent. If you must vary dimensions, export multiple scaled versions to maintain crispness on different display densities. Finally, install and validate. Deploy the sticker pack to your iPhone X from Xcode or send the packaged files to the device for testing. Check how each sticker aligns in messages, verify transparency against dark and light themes, and ensure scale feels natural. If a sticker looks cut off or fuzzy, re-export with corrected margins or adjust export settings to PNG 24. If problems persist, clear the messages, cache or remove, and reinstall the pack. That often resolves stale preview or scaling bugs on the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.